Hey, don't worry, you will surely cure your son.
Those divine rays are so magnificent.
The moon must be in an increscent phase, else it won't work.
Wow. His wife is also equally powerful.
I think that blind gentleman has been cured.
Dr. Weisleader may have known nothing about medicine, but he knew humans. He knew people don't want those regular, boring medicines. Instead, they wanted some spectacles, something out of the world. So he came up with the light reflected from a rock 250,000 miles away that can cure them. He wasn't healing them, he was selling them their dreams. He was giving them hopes, packed in a celestial glow.
Yeah, sometimes logic takes a backseat to a good show. Wait a second. Why was that doctor so silent? A normal person would glorify his powers. He would say what healings he had done in the past, how much power he has, and blah, blah, blah. Everyone would do it. Then why didn't he do it? Why? Wasn't he intelligent enough like me? Or is it because the editor felt lazy to animate his lips?
No, it's because he was more intelligent. He knew using words could be dangerous.
Words are dangerous? You are using it right now. I haven't felt any danger yet.
Words may create unintended interpretations. To understand how this happens, you must first understand how the human brain takes words. When the ear hears words, the brain then tries to connect it to our past experiences and knowledge, so that it could simplify the subject. In case the brain can't connect it to the stored data, then it modifies the information until it can connect. Most of the time, this modification causes misinterpretations.
Yeah, once I was with my German girlfriend and I whispered to her, "I want to gift you." And she broke up with me. Later I learned that gift means poison in German.
Not only in different languages, misunderstandings can happen in the same language too. It's not that you should never use words and start using sign language, but if you want to communicate power, then images are a better choice.
Oh yeah, I have a lot of images in my phone.
No, not that image.
Then what image?
Images, or the symbol I am talking about, is a shortcut of expression, containing dozens of meanings in one simple phrase or object. For example, look at these images. That's the power of images. I didn't need any words to describe any of these images. Likewise, instead of lengthy lectures on the moon's power, the moon doctor used images like stairway leading to the heavens and the rays of the moon. Psychotherapist Dr. Milton H. Erickson took the use of images to a next level. He used it to cure his patients. For example, if he felt the patient was isolated, then he would say,
"Imagine a single ironwood tree, and how its isolation left it battered by the winds."
When we listen to music, we don't rationally judge it. Instead, we dive deep in its magical aura. Similarly, images too create a similar effect. It hits directly to the mind, reducing the chance of unintended interpretations. If you master the art of images, then people will flock to your spectacles. People love to enter the new world, as this world is painful, predictable, and boring for them.
That means we're all just monkeys chasing shiny objects?
They're a little more than that, because we not only chase that shiny thing, we even decorate that thing. If you noticed, people were adding things like increscent phase, divine rays, and other stuff by themselves.
Yeah, I noticed. Those ladies were in a room where the moon rays couldn't even reach them. But they were so mesmerized that they didn't realize they were only getting reflections of moon rays. Although moon rays are itself a reflection. And the best part? They were even praising her. "Now I will use this trick and gain power." Wait, what if I use both images and words? Then I will be the almighty in the world of power.
If you have to explain yourself, your power is already in question. And for your information, images are already very powerful. It has even saved someone's life in the past.
When the Renaissance painter Fra Filippo Lippi was a captured slave among the Moors, he won his freedom by sketching a drawing of his master on a white wall with a piece of charcoal. When the owner saw the drawing, he instantly understood the power of a man who could make such images and let Fra Lippi go. That one image was far more powerful than any argument the artist could have made with words.
The power of visual spectacles is not limited to historical eras or to some moon doctors only. In today's world, too, businesses pay millions to create visual spectacles. The fonts, the colors, they are not just random choices. The golden color evokes a premium image. Red gives the sense of urgency and power. Even in movies, directors position their characters to dominate the frame. The hero stands tall, while the villain lurks in the shadows. Every viral TikTok dance, celebrity endorsement, every flashy product launch, memes, logos, banners, everything is a circus designed to keep you hooked. Not only businesses manipulate people, people too want to be manipulated. People love what is grand, spectacular, and larger than life. Appeal to their emotions and they'll flock to your spectacle like moths to a flame.